Welcome everyone back to my channel. So I have some exciting updates about my new shop and its progress thus far being on Etsy with Print on Demand. Today I wanted to start by first of all introducing myself for those who may not know me or may be new to my channel. I am an Etsy and Print on Demand business owner of a shop that has done over 450K in revenue in a few years time frame. I quit my 9-to-5 doing what I love now, which is Print on Demand and Etsy. And I recently took on a new challenge of opening a new shop and trying to scale it, hopefully to 6 figures. That would be really cool to achieve this year. And without further ado, I wanted to give a 2-month update on this new shop and let you all know how it's going, how many listings I have up, how many sales it has, some factors and things I want to talk about and what I wish I did differently versus what I'm still doing that's really great for this business. So I wanted to first of all talk about how much revenue I've gotten. So first and foremost, this shop currently is at 71 orders. What's really nice is it's really picking up organically now. I've had some days that I've had a few sale order days. I've had, I think, my peak of my sales. I'm going to pull this up, but I want to say it was close to 5 orders, or maybe it was 4. I guess 4 was my biggest order day, but a lot of the days have been at least 1 order. Some days it's been 0 orders, but this shop is, I feel like, slowly picking up, but not to the extent that I would like to see yet. What I want to note in this shop is that for the strategies of the shop, as I've been growing it and building it, I honestly have not been putting it in as much work and effort as I initially did with the 21-day listing challenge. I'll fill you all in for those who may not have been a part of the vlog series or you just found my channel now, but I did a vlog series where I took a 21-day listing challenge where I did 5 listings a day every day for 21 days. During this challenge, I built my shop up and it got about 15 sales in the entirety of the challenge. After that challenge, I completely left my shop on autopilot. I did not upload any new listings. I just check it daily to make sure that there's no messages or anything that I need to fix as far as order issues go. But ever since that challenge, I have not been uploading consistently, guys. And I want to be completely honest with that I feel like I'm not scaling like the point that I wish I was at the 2-month mark. But with that being said, I think it's pretty good for how my shop's doing as far as all-time sales go. So I'm going to switch it to all-time sales. As far as all-time sales go, I'm at $1,660.91 with this new shop already. A lot of my traffic is coming from Etsy ads and Etsy app and other pages. Now, my goal for by the 3rd month, I really want to achieve 100 sales. I really do believe that once you hit that 100 sale mark, that's when I've seen my past shop really start to scale in the algorithm. It's usually not until month 3 to month 6 is when my shop in the past has started scaling and how I've seen a lot of my students start scaling. I feel like my order volumes are still kind of slow, but they're still really good for a new Etsy shop. My listings amount is at $299. So that's really good for as far as my listings go right now, that I'm almost at the cusp of 300. Honestly, I should just upload a new listing today to hit that mark. I would relatively, before the holiday season, like to be around 500 listings to even 700 listings. I think that there is more room for me to improve and upload a lot more listings. Going into this challenge and creating a new business with Etsy and Print on Demand, I had 3 goals in mind. The first goal was to upload a high volume of listings in a short period of time, which I ended up doing. I've almost 300 listings after 2 months, which is great. The second goal that I had in this challenge was for me to try different product types that I've never tried before, but I knew sold from my market research I've done in the past. So I decided to go into those products, and one of my best performing listings is a product that I've never designed for in the past. So that's a really cool part of this new challenge and this new series of documenting this new shop. The third goal that I had during this whole challenge is to try new methods for marketing that I haven't tried before. And that extra method has been me using Etsy ads. And I've spent quite a bit of money on Etsy ads, guys. I'm not going to lie. One of my biggest goals is hitting that 100 sale mark, whether that be with profit or without profit. I am actually not making a profit yet in this business. I know right now a lot of people might be like, okay, why am I watching this challenge when you're not seeing any success yet? You're not seeing a profit, so why are you still going? And it really is just knowing from experience that generally when I've started businesses, I'm usually at a loss for a few months until it starts to pick up and I start to see a profit. At the end of this video, I wanted to go over things that I wish I did and what I would have changed redoing these last 2 months. So one thing that I wish I did is I wish I kept posting consistently after the 21-day listing challenge. I feel like that would have really helped me. I took one day out to do my 100 listings in 1 day challenge, which helped to boost my store more. And I ended up getting 1 sale from that challenge, but none of the other items are really getting that much attention on Etsy right now. So I would say that the 100 listing challenge, I think I did it way too quick. And I think posting consistently really does help over time. I really wish I focused more on organic growth methods like I initially did, because I have been heavily relying on ads, which hasn't been the worst, but I feel like if I focus more on social media the next few months and maybe just listing organically, that I'm going to see that profit come back faster than just using Etsy ads. But with that being said, I'm kind of changing my strategies as I go forward. So I did lower my ad campaigns after looking at my expenses. I saw that my ads were pretty high up there, and that's why I'm losing money right now, because I've spent so much on ads and I'm at a loss rather than profit. My ROAS is pretty low on some of the items, and I know again that's due to the amount of reviews I have and other things like that and factors that contribute. Generally for me, I like to see a return on ad spend of over 2 or 3, and most of my products that are the best selling items are under 2, which that's something to me that I'm not used to, because in my old Etsy shop that scaled to 450K plus, my ROAS on some of my top products was over 2 or 3. And honestly, most of them were over 3. But again, that might attribute to the fact that I use social media as my other organic traffic route outside of just using ads. So factors I want to consider during this video is, first of all, it is the slowest season to start right now. Usually the summer months is when people are on vacation or with their families or not on their phone shopping all day. Generally speaking, me running ads right now isn't going to necessarily help because conversion rates are lower. I will say that I am going to run higher ads as the fall time comes. It's just going to be a switching of my strategies to really see that profit over time. So besides that, thanks to everyone who has written such nice comments about my Etsy 21-day listing challenge vlog series. I definitely want to do more challenges as I go forward on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And I can't wait to give you my future Etsy shop updates as we go along here. Besides that, I am so excited to take you guys along this new shop's journey. I'll see you guys in the next video here.